How to search for products on Uzum Market. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website at uzum.uz. Next, look at the search bar at the top of the homepage. This is where you can type the name of the product, brand, or category you are looking for. Type in your query and press enter. A list of relevant results will appear based on what you searched for. You can browse through these results to find the exact product you need. To make your search more precise, use the available filters such as price range, brand, color, and more. You can also sort the results by popularity, ratings, lot of orders, and recently added. Once you find a product that interests you, click on it to view detailed information, including product description, price, reviews, and shipping options. From here, you can add it to your cart or wishlist for later purchase. Now you know how to search for products on Uzum Market from the website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more shopping tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.